pass. Last time to Cortez. Cortez to the ball, Cortez. But still, crowd on the corner. 24 Super. Super don't be the Super. Super in the basketball. To the right, to the right, to the right. But still got the ball screen. Pass again to the 16. Goes on. Garcia, dia pasang dari selesai. Elzio, still di bawah. Saigen, find on the shot line. That is inside high. Number one, Cabanas. Give the ball, Cabanas stop and bump. Negative double steal. Cabanas broke it again. Cabanas good. With the key. And give the ball to number one, Cabanas. And look at the basketball. And give the ball. The baseball guys together with the Z. No good. One steal. Medina floater shot. Negative. Now it will be Cortez. Cortez with the ball. Cortez under this body. Big nice side pass again to Lee Cortez. The play leader number 7 Saigen. And of course the last of the Lee Cortez. Island pass again to Lee Cortez. Cortez. For the steal. What's here? This is sweet for the one. Elzio. Let's see if we're going to hit the and 15 for the deal. Let's get on the field. Going to the fire. Let's get the over 3. Then Cortez. For the court to one. Cortez. There's the whistle. Last quarter. We belong to shoulder. South Carolina fire. Garcia, dia pasang dari selesai. Kita pasang berapa saya pondok. Periusan jelas seorang yang normal. Rikawa, Paparas. Ingat yang berbahaya.